Welcome everyone. Today's video I will share limited performance due to missing identifier, GTIN, MPN, and brand. Okay, so this is the main problem, the most important problem for this Google Merchant Center. Next, then I am going to this option how to remove this limited performance due to missing identifier exist for all of this. Okay, so first of all, going to this my data source. Okay, so I'm going to this data source. Click the settings and this data source. So my data source is content API on 52 product in existing United States and language. So I'm going to this content API, my data source name. Then we set up this option, this your setup only for this is not add-on. Okay, so first of all you added this option. So going to this again, back and back. So I am going to this settings option, going to this add-on. Okay, so I am going to this add-on. Then discover color everything. Okay, no problem. For first you can add that for advanced data source management. Okay, so just add that, then add that. Okay, your add-ons. My add-ons already added for data source or advanced management. Okay, so I'm checking. Yes, so I'm checking this your add-ons for all or everything and advanced data source already added. Okay, so I'm going to the second part, going to this option, just settings, click the data source. Then click in the content API or your feed name, any feed name, no problem. Data source or data source 2, no problem. You will access. So if I am now checking this, your attribute roles. Okay, my attribute roles. Previous time not show because I am now added for this option, this attribute. Okay, so attribute. Okay, so first attribute I can add for add attribute role. Okay, so this processed attribute. I need this identifier exist. IDN. IDN. Identifier exist. Okay, so my edit role identified exists. This is going to this main option, the set to. Okay, just set to. Okay, so my attribute set to. Set to this one. Add value. No. Okay, add value set to no. Okay, so I am going to this again. My attribute of set true and no. Identifier exists, set true, no. Identifier exists, no. Okay. Then okay. Then save as draft. Now running is apply change. Okay. Apply change. Set to no. Identifier exists, has no value yet. Content API. Okay. So now I'm this magic. Okay, so I'm going to this again my option. Okay, my clocks close need attention. This only 190 product is active. Just I am checking now. Okay, and this refresh. Right. I'm going to this add product. Under review, no problem. So I'm going to this one. Product details. Just wait for some time, then automatically remove, no problem. So I am checking this manually. Already, I hope additional details. Feed attribute API. I see. Identifier exist. Identify and define brand. Okay. Value. Allow everything. Okay. Okay. Need attention. Just wait, I see. Sometime automatically remove, no problem. Policy not meet, no problem. Is going to this option, then okay. Then again, recheck. Need attention, no problem. Going to this all product. and attention. Still not going. Just wait. I see. I hope as soon as possible the remove. No problem. I can checking again. I can checking. I can checking. Attribute is okay. Again checking data source. API attribute. No problem. It's really set up. No problem. Identifier exist. Properly set up. No problem. I hope wait for some hour. No problem. The maximum time is accurate time is okay. Then I am waiting for this option. Just wait. No problem. So now again checking notification and then product, then need attention. Just magic. You can see product are not policy worldview history, and then I am checking the history, no problem. So this is a easily way you can address this identifier exist, then waiting for up to 5 minutes, then remove this product issue. Okay. So or everything issue, no problem. Any issue, I can remove this option, this add-ons. Okay, add-on this very important for this product fit. Okay. So going to this again add-on. Okay, then add-on, add this advanced management, product feed management, then data source, going to this, and then you can show this product, your product feed, then you can attribute role, you can add the identifier exist, all or everything. Try now, no problem. You can checking this age group, ability, brand, canonical link, certification, color, condition, description, all or everything, gender, shipping, highest level, length, all or everything, this one click or all or everything. All everything is going to this product feed, this option. Okay, so this is the attribute rules, is a very important for this Google Merchant Center, this approval. Okay, so you can face this option, this problem. So you can contact me, no problem. I can help you everything. And Google Merchant Center, Google Merchant Center next, or everything. This is a new Merchant Center create or everything is a product, and I have already pending review. 2 days create this option. Okay, so already product feed very clear. Hope as soon as possible this merchant center is active, product are active, this option. Okay, under review I can checking this option, no problem. So very easy option, very easy to manage Google Merchant Center next and all everything. Okay, you can need any help or contact me, Google description. I can help everything. Google Merchant Center, Google Shopping Ads, Google all everything is okay. So now thank you everyone. Going to this option. Thank you.